Why do we walk? Why do our feet seem to be drawn into the distance? Why do we stand up, refuse gravity, and not just stay seated? Of course, it could all be so much easier. 4 stars, hot running water, full board, full and dry in our all-inclusive cocoon. But that's probably not an option, and never has been. A day in the rain on the Camino is more memorable than a week in the sun on the beach. You step onto the road, and if you don't keep your feet, there is no knowing where you might be swept off to. Yes, I think that's how a good story starts. One that is worth being told. One that wants to be told. And one that you will definitely remember. I think that's what keeps our feet from resting. The secret search for the unknown, for adventure, the desire for foreign landscapes, the longing for the horizon, and beyond that, who knows? Maybe that's where we catch up with them, our feet, and find maybe ourselves. So don't try to keep your feet still. Don't try to convince them that calm and rest is what they need. They don't. Give them trekking boots instead of beach sandals. Give them walking instead of laying around. Give them blisters instead of suntan. And every now and then a little rock in the shoe to remind them that they feel, that they are alive. I believe the tiny moment when your mind stops telling itself stories just for a second is the moment when you yourself and your feet become part of the story.